wish I'd had the video going just now.
Just hush. This is annoying.
Kylie said, I need to use this iron to get the cows. I said,
I need to
don't
hold
worry.
on or something because they ain't coming.
I said, just don't worry about them because
they're gonna starve.
the sheep are going to come and get out.
Terrible cow owners.
And then she insisted on calling her daddy. And what did he say? Just don't worry about him.
He's just quit calling. Don't worry about it.
He didn't say just quit calling.
I know.
He didn't even get mad.
I know. I'm pretending I said just quit calling.
Yeah. Just
hang up that camera.
Turn this off. Okay.
Oh, this is not the right way. Good morning, guys. Cody and Clance here, and today we're going to start hanging all of this continuous fence we have here on the trailer on the new feed yard that we've got going over here. So first thing we got to do is what?
Hook up the welding trailer?
Hook up the welding trailer, get it over there and get it situated where we can get ready to start welding up some panels. So come along and let's show you how we're going to build these pins.
Come back, straight. Go straight. Keep coming. Straight back. Keep coming. You're on a pipe, you're gonna have to get over it a little. Right, stop. Back. Keep coming. Right there.
Well, guys, we hadn't even got started and we're already having to fix something. So what we found out here is that the ball that we had on the Can-Am here was too short. You know, it's made for like a pickup, and then by the time you get it on here and hook this welding trailer up, it don't work. So we're going to take this tall one, show it to them right here, bub. We're going to take this tall one right here, and we're just going to weld we've got a ball here, but we don't have a nut for it. And since I don't want to go to town to find one.
Dad, this isn't a tall one.
Well, it's a short one flipped over, right?
Yeah.
So we're just going to set that baby on there right there, like that. What are you doing, thing? There we go. We're going to set it on there like that. We're going to fire the old Miller Bobcat up. We're just going to weld it on there. And then that'll be the one that stays with the Can-Am Defender. So let's get that going. So while Clance is running to get a grinder so that we can grind off a little of the paint off that hitch so that it'll make a good connection, all day today we're going to be running this right here. There we go. E6011 is what we're going to run today. Plug it in and grind off that little spot right there.
Good morning, guys, or afternoon, or whatever it is for you. It's Bar 7 Ranch, and it is Saturday for us, and we are about to get to work. The boys have just came out here and started getting to work. We had breakfast this morning, and now they're going to start welding up the pins for the feedlot. So, I think Cody said we might go to Austin tonight for a barbecue pit, so we'll see. He said they're going to try to bust their butts and get done in time to make a quick trip down there. Nobody likes to go to Austin, but that's where this place is. Let's go see what they're up to. My chickens are, you can hear my chickens laying eggs in here. I don't know if you can hear it, but I love hearing them lay eggs. And then we got the 2 roosters out here. I don't know what they're doing. But the good news is, spoiler alert, we're getting more chickens. More on that to come. Oh, the boys already got the camera. They didn't wait on me. Alright, I had to tell Kylie bye. She joined us out here because she's going to go get feed.
Wait, what am I getting? Just get cubes?
I don't know, ask Dad.
He just said go get feed, and I'm assuming cubes.
Kylie's going to get feed because we're busy. And the feed store closes at 12. He didn't actually give her orders of what to get though.
800 pounds, 300 to Web 2, 500 to Taylor.
Thing I asked.
Okay.
300 to Web 2, 500 to Taylor. Text me that right now. I don't have my phone.
Here.
300 to Web 2, 500 to Taylor.
So you're going to go get feed. You're going to come back. Then you might go to the anniversary party. I might go
Probably. Yeah.
I'll probably go by there.
Everybody's getting that text. I sent it in our Bar 7 fan band.
Why would you do that?
Because it was the first thing that pulled up.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Okay, I'll be back.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Be careful. All right. I went inside to get Bub some water. Because he only drinks cold water. And they're already getting started. So, Bub, today are y'all just like tacking all this up? Like trying to get everything tacked up?
I don't know.
You don't actually know what the plan is? You're just doing whatever Dad tells you? That's kind of what we do.
Listening to the drill site.
He doesn't usually like tell us what the plan is. He just starts telling us what to do.
Alright, let me see. That's pretty high.
So me and Bub were talking real quick.
Okay.
You don't really tell us the plan for the day before we get started. You just start telling us what to do.
Yeah.
But the plan, y'all are just tacking up everything today.
Right, I'm gonna weld these end whenever we get to a very end, I'm gonna weld that up good. But all I really wanna do is do like the top, the middle, and maybe the bottom or something. Really do the top and the middle, and then throughout the next week or two, as Clarence gets done with his schoolwork, he can come out here in the afternoons and finish welding everything out.
Gotcha.
It's just gonna be little short welds. It doesn't take, it's not a lot of, and there's not a big gap, it's just right around it, so.
Gotcha.
We're just gonna, the main goal is just to get it hung up enough we can, if we're not completely finished when we get ready to buy cattle, we can at least put them in here and finish it out while they're in here. So.
Gotcha. Already thirsty. So is the plan still to maybe go to Austin tonight if y'all get this, if y'all can get done?
Depending on, I mean, it'll go pretty fast now that we got our string and everything. So, like, I want to put the whole front up. That way, if we have to put cows back here, at least we've got them stopped. That's not a chipping hammer.
I know, I couldn't find it, so I thought at least if I brought a hammer,
No,
I'd
I've
be
got
better
hammers.
than knowing.
Did you? Where all did you look?
I looked under the table, in your toolbox, and I didn't look at the top of the toolbox.
That, or it might be on the welder. I mean,
All right, the boys are working. Kylie got back with feed, so now we're gonna feed cows around here. But we brought the truck back on E, so now we gotta go to Jonesboro and get gas real quick. Do you even know how to feed, Ty?
I'm still talking.
Oh, she's counting. Sounds like her dad. Sound like your dad.
Holy.
Sound just like your
I'm
dad.
like halfway through my count and gotta restart because I'm like, I don't even remember where I was at because you quit talking to me. Sorry, Dad taught me that. Love this.
What'd you say?
This is so nice.
Why?
Because for some reason we still don't have our freaking cattle guards finished, so we have to get out every morning when I'm going to work at 7 o'clock in the morning. When I get home, I have to open this gate.
Open
and
the gate,
it's
close
so
the gate.
annoying.
Now you have a
don't
gate
ever
girl.
leave.
Now you have a gate girl.
You
Hold
don't ever
that.
leave, so you deserve to be able. You deserve to have to. How do I turn this around?
I gotta go open the gate.
I want it to. See, I don't know how to do this. Oh, flip. There we go. It took me half that time to figure out how to turn the camera around.
Don't run into the fence.
I'm not. I swear. Ain't nobody do anything around here. I'm about to leave her. I wish you could see. You can kind of see her in the mirror. She's throwing her hands up. Oh well.
What do you think you're doing?
Being funny.
I think she is. Okay. Let's see if we can get away from these and bring the cows with us before the sheep get out. See if they'll come without pulling the... He said to go to the
I
front.
know. I'm
Oh,
trying.
okay. Well, you're running
I know.
off
I'm
the
trying
road.
to see them.
All right. Well,
I'm
I wish I
gonna
had the
do.
video going just now.
Just hush. This is annoying.
Kylie said, I need to use the siren to get the cows. I said,
I need
just
to
don't
honk
worry.
on or something because they ain't coming.
I said, just don't worry about them because
They're gonna starve.
the sheep are going to come and get out.
Terrible cow.
And then she insisted on calling her daddy. And what did he say? Just don't worry about them.
He's just quit calling. Don't worry about it.
He didn't say
He
just
said-
quit calling.
I know.
He didn't even get mad.
I know. I'm pretending I said just quit
That,
calling.
yeah, just
Hang up that camera.
turn this off. Okay, Kylie. All right, me and Fred just got back from feeding cows across the street. And what do y'all got done? What's
So we've got
going on?
three of the panels up across the front here, and
These three are up over here.
that's two, and this is one. Make sure.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I was thinking
So,
in between pipes.
The neighbor needed to borrow our tractor, so that Clance was wanting to eat lunch, so I let him go eat dinner. While I'm doing a little bit of stuff, I'm going to keep tacking some stuff up here, and when he gets back, we'll keep on going. We need basically 2 more panels to have the whole front done from one, except for we're going to have to hang a gate down there that we don't have yet, and then we're going to move back here and do the back fence.
So, no trip to Austin today. I can see that.
Well, we're just going to go as long as we can. Yeah, I mean, if we leave at 4, but how long does it take to get to Austin?
Hour and a half.
Hour and 45 minutes.
It don't take that long.
That don't give us.
What side of Austin's it on?
I don't know. You might need to look that up and see how long it says it takes us to get there.
Is it in Round Rock or
3:30.
Georgetown?
Huh?
Is it in Round Rock or Georgetown?
It says Austin.
Oh, okay. I'll look it up.
No, we need to go because we need to get us a grill, and I'm tired of waiting on one. So,
All
do
right.
you look at that when you're holding that like that? Because lots of times it's just.
I have a great view right now.
All right. Well, yeah. I would like to go, but.
Hey, why does he doubt me like that?
I don't know.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get back to
All
work
right.
so we can leave.
All right, I'm coming. All right, back at it. came all the way to Austin, and this is what Cody looks like. We drove 2 hours.
You were rushing me.
It's actually a bad, you can't really see good in here. He did not even take a shower. He looks disgusting. I guess he thinks because it's a barbecue place.
I don't care.
But he did buy me a barbecue.
And we went way overboard, but I'm going to show you something. We bought this Napoleon, is what it's called. It's got this sear deal over here. It's got these cast iron grates. Got this stuff up here. Here's the deal.
It has a rotisserie.
Yeah, it has a rotisserie with the motor.
Oh, do the light ups.
These deals light up on it.
You don't know how to use it.
Let you know that you got them on.
And when they're off and it's plugged in, they're blue. Oh,
They're
yeah.
blue, yeah. Battery
Super.
operated. Anyways,
We got it because it's black and I liked it.
here's the deal, guys. I bought this for Erica so she can cook all the food. I don't have to cook it.
This was going to be
But-
Cody's birthday present, so he's ruined my plans in March. So, y'all.
But here's the other deal. Y'all are going to love, so I'm going to tell you right now. So I can't hide my money. $19.99.
Why didn't you show that?
But listen, it's got a 15-year bumper-to-bumper warranty on it. So this switch, covered. This screw right in here holds the handle on, it's covered. The lid, covered. For 15 years. So when you divide that out, that's $133 a year. We've been buying a grill every year since we've been together for $120 at Walmart.
Or needing to buy a grill
And
every
they
year at
crap
least.
out every year. The wheels fall off of them. So I'm like, for 15 years, bumper to bumper, you can't beat it. So that's what I'm going with.
Can't have money, Cody.
The Napoleon
Can't have money.
Phantom. Y'all keep grilling.
Where are we at?
Oh, we're at
Barbecue Outfitters.
Barbecue
in-
Outfitters in Austin, Texas. I think they got one in San Antonio too.
Yeah.
Maybe a couple others. But
I think those are the only two.
If you come to one in Austin, ask for Ben because he took good care of us. So I want to take care of him. Y'all keep grilling.